Are they the ones we need?
Yeah, there's 9/16 and 1/2 inch. And what else do you need for a Corvair?
Sludge hammer.
Probably. Battery ratchet's over here. There's a regular ratchet. So John and I are getting ready to pull the engine and drivetrain out of the wagon. Is that about right?
That's right.
There you go.
If all else fails, we'll take the wagon off the drivetrain.
We might have to do that. Because we looked at the damage and it won't buff out, so we're gonna
Torch time!
take it apart. Lots of fun. All right. Okay, so we've got all the top side disconnected. Box of parts started there. John's already eyeing up all the stuff he wants. And we are getting ready to disconnect all the stuff on the bottom side, the air grill off. Got to figure out, normally you would pull this wheel off and pull the axle out. I take the stubs and everything right out of the diff, but I don't know how we're going to do that this time without a grinder. Maybe if we deflate the tire?
Try anything once.
Yeah, I didn't really want to get a grinder out right now, but I guess we can. Wheel's got a little mark. I think I'll keep these wheels. Use them on something.
64.
Yeah, use them on the 64. So we have to, I've showed this before in other videos, but we got to disconnect all this linkage here. I take this cross member, this tranny support down from the mounts when I drop it. We have to disconnect this throttle rod, the shift coupler, this clutch cable, and the pivot, and the clutch rod. I guess we don't have to disconnect that, but it's nice to get it out of the way. And then I just pull these axle stubs right out of the axle. Yeah. Disconnect the heater hoses. Obviously we've taken the exhaust off. Anyways, it's enough talking about it. We'll get to work. Okay, so we've got the wheel off and the axles are pulled out. Everything is ready to lower. We're just gonna have some juggling to do because this is in the way. Because
Torches.
I don't think that's a good thing to. I don't think that's a good thing to torch, John.
Cut it out of the way.
Yeah, so that's gonna be fun. We're gonna have to do some juggling. Can you juggle? I can't juggle.
As long as it's only one ball.
Oh, okay. All right, so I guess we'll take the handle off this this lift table, and we'll have to do some playing back and forth. We just have the 3 bolts from the motor mounts left, or from the one for this engine bracket mount, and then we have the 2 on the transmission cross member, and that's it. So move the bucket out of the way and get everything ready. Okay. Engine and transaxle is no longer in this wagon, and I guess there's not one going back in.
Taking bids. Start the auction.
Yeah, anyone want a good run of 95? It's not going to have any of the trim on it. And then later on, I'm going to pull these axles out. They're going to go on my 64. And then start looking at what's around for what's going to be used for parts. Yeah. So that went pretty good. I was surprised this fit between the hoist rails. So normally I do this on my scissor lift. Yeah, anything you want to say, John?
It's over.
Yeah. Now we'll start taking parts off and carrying on.